Kombucha. What is it, and is it healthy? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be looking at the science of kombucha, discussing how it's made and whether or not it's healthy, so that by the end of this video, you'll know whether you should be buying kombucha, making kombucha yourself, or avoiding kombucha altogether. Hey there guys, I'm Jesse Crow, the traveling scientist, and after spending years studying pharmacology, I'm here to help you live smarter, happier, and healthier lives. Do you drink kombucha? Let us know in the comment section down below. Say something like, I freaking love kombucha, or kombucha's gross. Because I have mixed feelings about this drink, and I'll explain that in just a minute. But first, I've created an ebooklet for you guys about living happier and healthier. It's called 7 Scientific Strategies, and it's totally free. You can get it in the description just down below. Kombucha is a drink that is essentially fermented tea, and it's made with a SCOBY, which kind of looks like a blobfish. But SCOBY stands for Symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, and that SCOBY floats in sugary tea for about a week, undergoing fermentation, slowly producing carbon dioxide and a little bit of alcohol. The result is kombucha, which is thought to be really healthy. But is it? Well, let's look at the scientific research into kombucha. Kombucha is supposed to improve your digestion, boost your immune system, lower your blood pressure, promote weight loss, and even prevent cancer. But I'm going to be honest with you, there isn't much evidence out there to support any of this. To clarify, as of late 2020, there are no scientific studies proving that kombucha produces any health benefits in humans. Fact. Try and find one. You won't be able to, they don't exist. In 2018, a systematic review of over 300 scientific studies into kombucha could not find one single study that reported evidence of any health benefits of kombucha in humans. Now, I'm no big city lawyer, but it seems to me that if this beverage has been concocted and consumed for over 2,000 years, and that there's companies out there creating and selling this product for exorbitant prices claiming the health benefits, you would think that there would be some scientific studies proving those health benefits, but there's not.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
For example, it's claimed that the probiotic bacteria in kombucha could potentially contribute to your gut flora, helping you with weight loss and digestion. However, there's no evidence that any of the bacteria in kombucha stays in your body, and it's likely that they just pass through without benefiting your health in any way. Furthermore, health benefits such as weight loss and improved immunity from kombucha, well, these health benefits also come from tea, and kombucha is just fermented tea. So why not skip the middleman and just drink tea? It's much cheaper, it's tastier in my opinion, and unlike kombucha, countless studies have proven the health benefits of drinking tea. Finally, kombucha prevents cancer. There is no evidence that kombucha prevents cancer. Hell, kombucha probably causes cancer. Alright, I don't think it does. But kombucha, if prepared improperly, can become infected with bad bacteria and make you really sick. And in some rare cases, kombucha can even kill you. So if you drink kombucha, make sure it's prepared in a healthy and safe way. In conclusion, I'm sorry if you love kombucha, and if you choose to buy it, make it, or consume it, good for you. But there is no scientific evidence that kombucha gives any health benefits that you can't get from drinking tea. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe kombucha is really healthy, but until someone does a scientific study proving the health benefits of kombucha in humans, I personally believe that this is just a weird, overpriced drink that doesn't really do much. So there you go. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or learned something, click the like button down below and let me know how you feel about kombucha and if you're going to keep drinking it in the comment section down below. Finally, next week's video is going to be all about red light therapy. What is it? Make sure you subscribe for more traveling science every single week, and I'll see you guys next Science Sunday. Cheers. I love kombucha. Kombucha's disgusting. I freaking love kombucha. I freaking hate kombucha. I love kombucha. Kombucha's gross. I love kombucha. kombucha's like the worst? Find out next week. Make sure you subscribe for more. Have a good one, guys. Blew it!